What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about this GlocalMe Key Tracker, our ultimate companion for keeping track of our valuable objects. This compact and elegantly designed tracker is perfect for anyone who frequently misplaces their keys, bags or other essential items. Oh, wait, before we dive deep into this review, there is a thing I wanna share with you. I have a girlfriend my regular viewers know about Thea, and she is my charmingly forgetful one. She forgets about her keys and other stuffs regularly. If I had a nickel for every time I have found her keys with this GlocalMe Key Tracker, I'd be rich enough to buy her a new necklace every other week. I'm joking. Well, let's start from unboxing and then as usual we'll talk about the features and the performance of this GlocalMe Key Tracker. But before we start, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Inside the box, you will find the GlocalMe Key Tracker and a versatile lanyard along with a waterproof protective case. Its minimalist and lightweight design ensures it fits seamlessly into our daily life. Getting started with this key tracker is easy and straightforward. Just download the GlocalMe application either on Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Pair the key tracker with your smartphone via Bluetooth and yeah, you will be good to go within a few seconds. The application's user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate through its powerful features. Well, let's go through the application. Let me show you all the features and options. On the home page, we can check the GlocalMe Key Tracker's battery status, subscription status, and any other important notification. Underneath that, we have 4 different tabs: Person Location Guard, Seamless Global Internet Access, Items Location Tracking, and Pet Anti-Lost Tracking. We can add multiple GlocalMe trackers to an account and keep track of all the trackers in real time. There are 3 tracking modes: person search, normal, and real time. We can also select a report frequency, like whether we prefer to get a report every 15 minutes or every 30 minutes or every 45 minutes. Yeah, like many other trackers, we can ring the tracker, so it is easy to find the tracker using the sound. Moreover, the application actually shows the location and distance along with a few recommendations. In the settings, we can enable emergency internet and electronic fence. After we add a fence, we can edit the fence name and we can select the fence radius range. We have option to make a phone call to family, and if necessary, there is another option to make a SOS emergency call. GlocalMe Key Tracker has an airplane mode, so we can bring it on board. Airplane mode disables the device's wireless signal, including cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. This mode is essential during flights to prevent interference with aircraft systems. It also conserves battery life. We can also remotely restart the key tracker and access various details about it. On the device page, there are 2 sections: scenario and device. In the scenario section, we can view scenario descriptions and add devices for different situations. The device section lets us check the status of the tracker. On the profile page, we can manage our personal information, settings, and available services. Imagine about a scenario. Someone is running late and can't find his or her keys. In this moment of panic, we can switch to real-time mode on our Key Tracker app. This mode provides live updates, reporting the location of our keys instantly, making tracking quick and easy. But there's more. We can also activate the person search mode, designed specifically to enhance our search efforts. Using its exclusive active radar search, it guides us step by step to our lost items. Just a tap on our phone triggers the key tracker's loud alarm, helping us locate our keys in seconds. The active radar search is incredibly helpful. keeping a strong connection within 100 meters. So whether we are in a hurry or just need to find our keys quickly, the key tracker makes it easy. Instead of a stressful search, we can find our keys fast and without any hassle. GlocalMe Key Tracker stands out by integrating 6 advanced location technologies: GPS, AGPS, Wi-Fi, LBS, Bluetooth, and active radar. GPS and AGPS provides global coverage, while Wi-Fi and LBS enhance accuracy in urban areas. Bluetooth offers close-range precision, and the active radar gives real-time tracking within 100 meters. This industry-first combination ensures we can locate our items with unmatched precision and reliability, whether they are nearby or far away. One of the standout features of the GlocalMe Key Tracker is its impressive battery life. Capable of lasting up to 9 days on a single charge, it provides us with continuous, reliable tracking without the need for frequent recharging. Moreover, it has a very good sturdy build quality, and GlocalMe also provides a waterproof case, so yeah, it can withstand rigors of daily use. The GlocalMe Key Tracker is more than a tracker. It offers free global emergency hotspot connectivity through cloud SIM technology, supporting 4G networks in over 200 countries. It ensures we are connected anywhere by adding a layer of security and peace. I know it might sound like I'm trying to pitch this gadget to you, but I promise I'm not a secret salesperson. You all know me. I only do honest review videos. I'm just so thrilled with this key tracker that I can't help but sound like a walking commercial. Well, GlocalMe Key Tracker is one of the best key trackers available out there on the market, and it's not only a key tracker, it is a feature-packed gadget, and some of the features are truly unique and special. Period. That's the end of this video. If you are looking for a key tracker, then I wouldn't hesitate to recommend you GlocalMe Key Tracker. I've left a link in the description box below, but you know, I don't do affiliate things. I don't want to earn a single penny from you. I always do honest review videos. So if you want to buy this product, you can buy it from anywhere. I'm just sharing my honest opinion. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.